Hello, welcome to JOHNSADDY driving. In this video, I'm like to teach you a step-by-step on how to drive an automatic. An automatic car is not that hard. If you put your mind down, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step on how to drive. If you are a beginner and you want to know how to learn how to drive an automatic car, you are the right place. Then please watch this video till the end. In automatic car, is that just a simple to learn. So when you have come to the car and get around the car, check around the car, get inside, adjust your chair to your steering. Then after that, when you know your leg can touch the pedal, then you use your seat belt. Get it, use your seat belt before any other thing. Use your seat belt. You can see, use your seat belt. So this your dashboard. This is your dashboard like this. So this is your radio. This is your AC. This is your AC, and this is the gear lever. This is the gear lever. The P. This P stand for park. This is R, stand for reverse. N stand for neutral. Then D stand for drive. If you want to drive, this is where you put it in driving front. Then if you want to reverse, you use this R. Get it, use this R. So down to down here, this is gear 2. Normally gear 2. L is for learner. If you want to go slowly, only gear 1 you will be using. Use this L as a beginner, as a learner. Then from there, this is the key. This is the key of the car. This is the key of the car. So this is the mount. This is the mount that you slot in the key. Then from there, this is the pedal. This is the pedal. This is the brake. This is the brake, and this is the accelerator. This one, you can see my leg. I hope you can see my leg. This is the accelerator, and this is the brake. It's only your right leg, this leg, that is going to be function on these two things. Don't use this leg at the same time by matching it at the same time, or matching the brake and be accelerating. No, put your leg here. This leg should be here. This one's supposed to be here. Let it be here. Then this one will be here. So as we are going to start the engine, listen, as we are going to start the engine, whatever you are going to do, put your leg here. You put your leg here on the brake. You make sure that your handbrake is up. So we are going to start the car. Slam your key here. Then you want to start. See, your leg will be on the brake. Then you come here. You start 1, 2. The ignition light is on, as you can see, but the car never starts. So the third one is, it will start back. Are you getting? I off it again. 1, 2. The third one, it will start and return back. Listen to the engine. Listen to the engine. So as we are going to start, this is the handbrake. This is the handbrake. I release the handbrake down. Then shift this gear lever to drive. This is the reverse. this is neutral, then this is D, which is the drive. So when the car is on drive, you release your leg. If you can see my leg, release it small. Release it small. When you discover that the car starts moving, the car is moving, it's going small, gradual. That is how they know they drive. Small. You can see. Then match your brake. Match your brake. Yes. Then you, after you match your brake, you wait. You put your gear lever to park. You are done. Final. And it is very simple. It's very simple. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to JOHNSADDY's Driving. In case of my next video, I will be posting another wonderful video for you, and you are going to learn more from me as JOHNSADDY Driving. Thank you. I really appreciate you.